Hi, and welcome to Welland Toyota TV. I'll be your product advisor, David Clark, today, and today we're going to go over the world's most popular selling vehicle, the Toyota Corolla. This is the Sport Edition Corolla, and what that gives you is a different front fascia. It's more of an aggressive wide stance. Built into the Toyota emblem here is the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. So it'll actually slam on the brakes to mitigate any impending accidents. You have LED daytime running lights as well as LED headlamps. You have a 17-inch aluminum alloy sport tire with rim, so it's a lower profile, gives it that more aggressive stance. You have a moonroof here, solid front and rear disc brakes, and a colored spoiler as well. If you look on the inside here, guys, as part of Toyota Safety Sense, you have the dynamic radar cruise, which is right here. It'll set you 3 car lengths, 2 car lengths, or 1 car length behind the car in front of you. It has lane departure assist with sway active. And what that does is if you're swaying outside of the lane, it'll actually auto steer you back into the lane. So here I'm going to show you some interior features, okay? So a very ergonomically designed steering column. Everything is at your thumb tips. You have audio controls on the left side of the steering column with voice recognition as well. Siri hands-free, so you can just press the off-hook switch and then tell Siri a command. On the right-hand side, you have your multi-information display center. So this will tell you things like current fuel economy, distance to empty, your trip odometer. We have heated seats located down here, high, low, or off setting. A 6.1-inch touchscreen audio system. In that touchscreen as well, that's where the backup camera is. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to come on down to speak to any of our product advisors who would love to help you with your vehicle needs. Don't forget to like our Facebook page and go to our YouTube channel.